Hi, welcome to another tech tip. In this tech tip video, I'm going to show you how to add animated GIFs to a Google Slide presentation. So let's find an animated GIF to add to a Google Slide presentation. So you'll need to have Google Slides open with a blank slide ready to go. And I'm going to open a new tab. And my favorite way to find animated GIFs is on Bing. Because on Bing, if I look up, I don't know, let's say SpongeBob. I type SpongeBob GIF for GIF. Then I click on images. You'll see on the screen it can animate the GIFs right off the bat. And that's done by going into the menu here and checking on the autoplay GIFs button. I'll click on the GIF I want to use. And then I will click and drag that GIF to the Slides tab, and then click and drag the GIF over the slide and let it pop it in there so that I can use it in my Google Slide presentation. And that is your tech tip for this video. Give that a shot and have some fun adding GIFs to your slides.